So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone on iOS 26.6, the battery is just not charging. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now, number one, the first thing to always make sure is to just ensure that your particular charger that you're using is fully plugged in. So go through, plug it in via a wired connection down here, or if you're using a wireless device, go through and plug it in via a wireless charger. Those two things are some of the most important things I recommend doing here, is to either plug it in via a wireless charger or plug it in via a wired charger at the bottom. That's pretty much going to be the most important thing here. Make sure that's the case. Now, the other thing too is if you're using really big cases on your iPhone, I would also probably recommend going through and temporarily removing that case before actually placing it on some sort of charging thing. That's also another very important aspect of it too, because sometimes if you actually go there and if you plug it in or if you go and try to have a really big case, sometimes the case might be pushing it out or the case might not be allowing you to have a good snug fit on that particular device. So try giving that a try. That's another really big thing there too. Now, on top of that, your charger at the bottom might have a lot of dust in it or some other thing like that too. And it might not even be a software issue, like it might not be because of iOS 26.6. So go through, try prying out any of that dust you have inside of your device either. That's another very big thing I'd recommend doing there too. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.